Okay, in this video, we are going to do two-point perspective of a house. When you do two-point perspective, you start with the horizon line, which is where the sky meets the ground. And then on that horizon line, instead of one, we now have two vanishing points. And we're going to put them in the very far side of the paper. So I'm going to start with a straight line. And then right side of the house goes to this vanishing point, left side goes to that vanishing point. So I'm lining up with the vanishing point, and then top and bottom. Okay, then I need a parallel line to connect these sides. So I line it up, drag it over. Same thing for the other side, line it up, drag it over. And then erase what I don't need. Okay, so now our house needs a roof. So to find the peak of our roof, this is also called the gable. So we first make an X to find the center of this side. Because it is on an angle, we cannot just assume where that center is. So you draw an X, and where it crosses is now the center of the peak. So then I draw a straight line up of however tall I want my roof to be. And I take top to the corners. Okay. Then I take the peak of my gable. This is on the left side of the roof, so the left side goes to the left vanishing point. Okay. Then to figure out this angle of my roof, I cannot just line it up and drag it over. Okay, it has to follow wherever this line is going to. So to do that part, you need another sheet of paper. And you can fold it over. Or you can also use scissors. It needs to be a nice straight piece. After I've ripped that piece of paper, I then tape it to the back side. Flip this back over. And then I have to find my roof's vanishing point. Your roof will always have its own vanishing point. So I take my ruler and I line it up with that peak of the gable. And this vanishing point will be directly above the right vanishing point. So I take my ruler and I make a mark. And my vanishing point for the other side of my roof will go to that dot. So then I go to my corner of my roof, to the roof's vanishing point up in the sky, and then I now have found that slant. Then I can erase all these lines. And you now have a two-point perspective house.